sit you down. All dried off. Yeah. Oh, who's the cutest boy in town, huh? It's you. So cute. So cute. Get you all dried off. Dried off. Dry your little hair off too. That's cute. That's cute, honey. You're a cutie. Alright, let's get a diaper. Okay, honey. Let's get that diaper on. Yeah. Get that diaper on. Okay. All right. Yeah. Look at those big blue eyes. Those big blue eyes. Yeah. Let's see, that's dirty. Okay. What do you want to wear, honey? Just wait there for a second. Alright. That fuzzy hair. Look at that fuzzy hair. Okay. There we go. Okay, get you dressed. Yeah, get you dressed. You're nice and warm. Yeah. All ready for bed too. All ready for bed. Yeah. Okay. You see Daddy over there? Yeah. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Okay, roll. Alright, good job. Good job. Okay. Good job. Good job. Very sweet boy. Yeah. Very sweet little guy. We love you very, very much. Yeah, me too. We love you very, very much. Yeah. I'm a sweetheart, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy. Yeah. And so squeaky. So squeaky. Yeah. Oh, I know. I know. Tell me all about it. Oh, what do you have to say? What do you have to say, honey? What are you saying? Okay. Okay. All done. All done. Say hi. Hi. Oh, such a clean boy. Such a clean boy. And all rosy-cheeked from being in the sun. Aw, who's happy now? Who's a happy boy? Who's the sweetest boy? You are. You are. There's your daddy. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.